YEROO Group, established in 2000 with subsidiary companies of Foshan YEROO Advertising Engineering Company Limited and Guangzhou YEROO Steel Structure Company Limited, which is a large outdoor advertising engineering company integrating researching and development, manufacturing trading, is one of the impellers and witnesses of the advertising engineering of China. YEROO focuses on the manufacturing advertisement of outdoor advertising products. Our main products include indoor, outdoor advertising lightbox, bus shelter, LCD advertising player, outdoor billboard, scrolling lightbox, signage, and other advertising products. We have exported to Europe, Asia, Africa, America, and the Middle East, more than 120 countries around the world, and widely won the customers' recognition and trust. YEROO has more than 20,000 square meters production workshop with a design and research team, experienced production team, and sales team. Our production is approved by ISO 9001 quality management system with scientific management methods and advanced production equipment. YEROO is a large-scale advertisement products manufacturer constituted by product design development and manufacturing. YEROO focused on the research and development of advertising products for 20 years. We insist on integrity, innovation, service, thanksgivings, our business philosophy. YEROO always adhered to the service spirit of all for helping the customers. We provide integrative services for the design, sales, production, quality control, transportation, and installation. We also have experienced customer services team who provide 24/7 online support. Our customers are our best friends and family.